What's the difference between rank and dense rank? This subtle distinction trips up even experienced SQL developers in technical interviews. Let's break it down. Both rank and dense rank are window functions in SQL. They assign rank values to rows based on ordering criteria using the over clause with order by. The key difference is how they handle ties. Rank assigns the same rank to rows with identical values, but then skips subsequent numbers. If 2 rows tie for first place with rank 1, the next row gets rank 3, not 2. Think of it like Olympic medals where ties leave gaps in the rankings. Dense rank also assigns the same rank to ties, but it never skips numbers. After 2 rows both get rank 1, the next row gets rank 2. The rankings stay consecutive with no gaps, giving you a dense sequence of numbers. Here's the same dataset ranked both ways. Notice how rank jumps from 1 to 3 after the tie, while dense rank goes 1, 2. Arrow. Number is a related function that never assigns duplicates, giving each row a unique sequential number regardless of ties. Remember, rank leaves gaps after ties, dense rank keeps rankings consecutive. Master this difference and you'll ace your SQL interview questions. Subscribe for more SQL tips. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.